welcome back to Hot Mess Science. I am here with Thomas and Ruthie, and we're going to show you how to make borax decorations. You could use it as an ornament. You could use them as a sun catcher for your window. But we're going to use borax and water to create a super saturated solution that we can then put some kind of shape of a pipe cleaner in. Oh, I'm sorry. Am I ruining your view?
We're just squishing.
Oh, pardon me. So we're gonna then put our little design into the solution and let it cool overnight, and we'll get some crystallization forming. Okay. So all you need for this is some very hot water. I just boiled this kettle. You found yours?
Mine?
Okay. Yep. We'll put some. No, I was talking to Ruthie. And so I'm going to start with just putting a couple of cups of that. Whoops. Confident pour. A couple of cups of those hot water in. I'm going to start here with
Hot water, I guess.
3. I'm going to start with 3 cups. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Oh, that looks kind of low in this. Okay. So
Because
maybe
it's a big jar.
that's right. If I had a skinnier mason jar, maybe 3 would do it. But I think I might need to go with like 6. But that's okay, because all I have to do is increase the amount of borax. So I'm going to just start off with a larger amount.
Mom, will this jar work?
You know, I think that one would work, but you would have to have a much smaller ornament. That's all. That's the only thing it limits. You could do it as small of a jar as you want, but you just have to have a smaller ornament. Okay, ready? Ruthie, will you grab that wooden spoon there?
I can see. Alright, just move. I can see.
Okay. So Ruth, I'm gonna have you do some mixing.
Mom, can you make sure Thomas does not come into my space? Because I'm gonna go get a spoon because I'm tired of putting my open there.
Yeah, you guys can take turns being next to me. That's fine. Thomas, why don't you come over and start the stirring
How
first?
about Mom's in the middle?
Could do that.
I don't
I'm gonna
want
move
to
over
be
here.
next to all.
Okay. All right, so I've got 3 in, and so that's what I would do for 1 cup. But now I'm going to make. I'm sorry. I would put 3 tablespoons of borax in for 3 cups of water, and now I'm going to start off with 6 cups of water and 6 spoonfuls of borax. And I'm going to be adding more because we want to make it a super saturated solution, which means that we in hot water are going to keep stirring in borax until it not only disappears, but then we get just a few granules on the bottom. Yeah, that was my spill when I initially put the water in. Yep. So now it's disappeared. So I need to put more in. All right. Ruthie, are you going to stir?
Can I put some in?
Yeah, you can. Thomas, are you just going to glide in and out of here?
But which spoon do we use it with? Yes, that's exactly what I'm going to do.
Go ahead.
Shake it, bang it all day. Shake it, bang it all day.
Is that a song? I'm unaware of.
Yeah, I was going to have to.
Oh, I was going to say, I'm going to have to put that on my playlist.
Ooh,
all right.
Can I mix?
Can we do another one? Well, let's do 3 more, and then you can mix, okay? And then Thomas,
Shake it, bang it,
instead of
day.
causing a concussion for
Bang it
yourself,
all day.
go ahead and stir that. I'm going to have you stop doing that.
Mom, it's
Okay.
like floating.
And then I'm going to have you take this string, and Thomas has made a tea out of pipe cleaners.
So that's the only thing I could think of.
It's a great one. Do
And
your
mine is
initial.
going to be really good. It's going to be a crystal.
Yeah, yours is like a snowflakey crystal, right? And so go ahead and tie a string, a little knot on here,
Okay.
right? So that we can dip it. We're going to dip it in. Are you mixing?
I just
Mix,
use it right literally on the
Yeah,
bottom.
keep mixing. Okay, just careful because it's hot. I'm going to put in a little more. Keep mixing.
Oh, I feel like that.
You feel the heat, yeah.
Oh,
Because
that's not like
hot liquids hold more solute than cold liquids,
what
right?
the heck is solid?
This is our solute. The thing that is getting dissolved is the solute, and the thing that it's getting dissolved in is the solvent.
Mom, no more. That's enough.
You know what?
It's getting harder.
Is it getting harder? Keep mixing. Let me
It really
see.
is really hard.
Because we want to make it. We want to make it super saturated,
Is this
right?
what it's supposed to look like?
Hmm?
This was supposed to.
That's perfect. Yeah, you want to go show that in the camera?
But why is it like hanging off?
We can just cut that part
one of my
off.
Barbie fashion show pencils got wet. What the heck?
Oh, I'm going to use it.
Fashion.
You can get me a different pencil if
It's
you
a
don't want to
drawing.
use that one. All right, here we go. So now, if I'm counting this correctly, I think I'm up to 9 tablespoons. Is that right? And I'm going to start mixing up. And I can already see that I'm having some trouble getting some of the borax to dissolve. I can see some granules hanging out at the bottom.
Why is it called borax?
It's, well, actually, because it's made out of something that sounds like borax. And
Mom?
it's a form of boric acid. But it's safer than straight boric acid.
I thought it was made by boars. But you
like it's the name.
For ants.
No, it's not made out of boars, no. Okay, so we're super saturated now because it's slightly cloudy and I can see a couple of granules on the bottom that just can't quite get mixed in there. But just to be sure, I'm going to just add in another one.
Mama?
Yeah.
Does the plain ones do the same thing?
They do, yeah. So Ruth is talking about the pipe cleaners. So you can use these shiny ones that I like. Yeah. Or you could use a plain one.
I think I did something. This is what they look like compared.
Yeah.
They're the same.
Yeah, that's fine. That's great.
They're the same. Just this orange one. This is gonna make it need to have no sparkles.
Mm-hmm.
And this one, actually, it's technically kind of confetti, and then just connected to a wire.
Yep. And this is a popular shape. It's a snowflake, right? So we're gonna.
Mom to make that
Yep.
one.
We're gonna tie a string around that. Thomas, I'm gonna take yours so I can show everybody how we're gonna dip it in. So Thomas has just tied a string around here. I'm just gonna cut off the end of the string.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
look, I'm trying.
Oh yeah. Except for what's our lab rule about eating things?
I know.
Never eat the
What?
the science. Never eat the lab, right?
You said.
So now look at this. This is hanging in the solution without touching the bottom.
I think this is borax, not a solution.
It's a solution now because I've now dissolved borax into water.
Oh,
so it's
Mom,
a solution.
what's hot here?
Okay, so I have these in here, and tomorrow we will pull them out and see what they look like. Okay, so we just got up this morning and we have some very crystally ornaments. Ruth, do you want to pull one out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead. Gentle. Gentle. And lay it right on the paper towel.
Oh, can I feel it?
Yeah, you can feel it. Okay, just wash your hands after. Okay, because borax is something we don't want to leave on ourselves. Whoa! That one lost it. Whoa, caught it. Caught it, caught it. Oh, it's a little stuck. It's a little
That's
stuck.
all right, Mom. I got it.
I think I'm going to actually need to touch it, honey, and pull it through. Look at the amount. It actually changed the width of the ornament. It actually changed the width. I couldn't get it out of the jar.
Mama, it looks like the candy rocks.
Yeah, yeah. We'll pull out this one. This one's got a
one's
lot. This one's got a lot growing on it, right?
Even got one there.
Yeah, we can trim that part off, though. Yeah, excellent. Look at that. Less than 12 hours, right? We did this at about 3 p.m. yesterday.
Which one do you like the best?
And it's about 9:30 now.
I like this one.
I like the icicle one. That one's really cute. Although I always love the snowflakes. I always love them. Have fun creating your own sun catchers or ornaments.
Christmas tree, how are your lovely branches?